Hi there, my name is Hazy. Welcome to my channel. If you clicked on this video, you're probably new to meditation or unsure if it's even right for you. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you a simple and soothing 5-minute meditation practice designed especially for beginners. Meditation doesn't have to be daunting. It's all about finding a moment of peace in your day. So let's take this journey together and find some calm and clarity. Ready? All right, let's get started. Step 1. Find your space. Firstly, you'll want to find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or even a peaceful park bench. Sit comfortably, either on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Remember, there's no perfect way to do this. Just find what feels right for you. Step 2. Settle in. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your body begin to relax with each breath. Let go of any tension in your shoulders, neck, and jaw. It's okay if it takes a moment to settle in. Just be patient with yourself. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. It's completely normal for thoughts to arise. Just acknowledge them and let them pass without judgment. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to feel. Step 4. Observe your thoughts. As you continue to breathe, observe any thoughts or feelings that come up. Imagine them as clouds passing by in the sky. You don't need to engage with them, just let them float away. This practice helps you develop a sense of detachment and calm. It's okay if this feels challenging at first. You're doing great just by trying. Step 5. Gently return your attention. Whenever you notice your mind has wandered, gently guide your attention back to your breathing. This is the essence of meditation, returning to the present moment, again and again, with kindness and patience. Each time you bring your focus back, you're strengthening your ability to stay present. Step 6. End with gratitude. Finally, after a few minutes, or when you feel ready to end the meditation, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the time you've taken for yourself. Thank yourself for this act of self-care, and carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Remember, meditation is a practice, and it's perfectly okay if your mind wanders. The key is to be gentle with yourself and keep coming back to your breathing. With regular practice, you'll find it easier to stay present and calm. Thank you for joining me today and taking the first step on your meditation journey. Most importantly, remember to thank yourself for making time to care for yourself. And remember, You can always save this video and come back to it if you want a refresher. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, give a like and let me know in the comments. I'll be doing more of these meditation and mindful videos in the future, so if you'd like to stay in touch, please consider subscribing. Stay mindful and go with peace. Hazy.